Aloha, it's 365 Hawaii.
With Eric and Julie Ziemelis, and behind us is the crashing surf of a big wave day here in Kailua Bay.
And today we're going to show you waves. And I know what you're saying. Didn't you guys just do a video on the big swells, the first big swells of the season? And the answer is yes. But these waves are, how big are they, Julie?
They're huge, and they're the second swell of the season.
And they're epic.
Right. And so I think that these are now running about 12 feet.
Yeah.
And so I said recently, I think that they're some of the biggest swells I've ever seen. When we were in Keauhou yesterday, we were down at the end of the world, and it was crashing against the rocks. And not only was it just doing its normal thing, it was going sideways and taking out people on the side too.
Yeah.
Then we were at the Outrigger, and it was coming up and over the deck, and the water was actually crashing down through the back end of the deck. So much water is being hoisted up on top of this.
And the good news is I got footage while that was all taking place that we'll show you. So
that's why he wants to do this, because he's got great drone footage. And so we're going to capture a little bit more today, as you guys can see. I mean, literally at night, this thing is coming up and over LE. So hopefully we'll get this one, and then maybe there's another swell coming in next week, or maybe not be done with the whole wave department. So let's go take a look at the waves. While we're here in Keauhou, I wanted to give you guys a little heads up of an event we're doing. It's going to be called Race for the Reef, and it's the third annual 5K. It goes out of Kailua Bay Park, and it raises money for Reef Teach and all the non-chemical sunscreen that goes to the tourists for free. So if you want to participate, I will have more information coming soon, but save the date for February 15th, and it'll probably start around 7 o'clock in the morning, and we will be running for up and down LE and coming back and having a nice little celebration in the pavilion.
Yeah.
Been doing this for 3 years, and we've given them over $2,500 in funding for the sunscreen for the visitors. And also they'll take back your bad sunscreen and give you the good stuff.
That's right.
But also, if you guys are around, we like to encourage volunteerism in our community. So always looking forward to meeting new people who come onto the island who want to volunteer and give back to the land. And if you guys want to come to Hawaii, we do free consultations via Zoom if you want to contact us. And then we also have our other channel, the 365 Hawaii Real Estate Minute.
And with that, we
We'll
say
say aloha.